How to share Dropbox folder with someone. So to start, we'll just have to open our Dropbox account. To do that, open your browser and then search for dropbox.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this All Files option, and then after that, it will show us all the folders we have or files on our account. So if you want to share a folder, all we need to do is to select the folder, and then after that, we'll have to go on the right part of the screen and then tap on the share option. In here, you will be given two choices, transfer a copy or copy a link. So as for me, I'm just gonna copy the link. And then once I'm done copying the link, I'm just gonna open my Gmail as an example. So in here, I'll just have to tap on this compose option. And then after that, we'll have to type here an email. And then we can also add a subject. And then once I'm done with that, I can also add a message. So as an example, I'm gonna type here, here's the link for the Dropbox folder. And then after that, I'm going to paste the link here. Once I'm done composing the email, I'll just have to tap on the send option. So by doing that, I'm now able to share the Dropbox folder with someone. So that's how easy we can share Dropbox folder with someone. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.